Test, test, test. Let me know how we sounding, y'all. Let me know how we sounding. It's Friday, y'all. Man, we're already halfway through this month. It's crazy. Still holding NAS, by the way. As deep in profit, but still holding NAS. GU going as projected as well. So we're gonna break this stuff down a little. We're gonna wait for some people to hop up in here. Y'all gonna get it at some point. Let me know how we sounding, y'all. I'm in and out. Okay, let me try to fix that. Let me see. Sometimes when my wires being pulled up, bug out. All right. So exit out and reopen the live stream. And see if that fixes it. So I'm working on my end as well. All right, give me 1 second. All right, let's see if we sound a little better. Let me see. Test, test, test. I hear it bugging out too. Let me fix my wire because sometimes my wire's getting pulled. It sounds off jank and stuff. Let me see if this sounds better. Let's take a look. What's going on, y'all? What's going on? Yeah, that sounds better. If it bugs out again, let me know, y'all. Let me know, y'all. But we're going to dive into this. So, if y'all been following the Sunday chart analysis, as well as you've been tuning into these London session lives, whether that's when we're live or watching the replay, like I say all the time, very transparent in these lives. Every single trade that I take, as well as every single signal I call, we either break down and enter during the live stream, or we break down, look for the entry during the live stream, and then later on it goes as projected, or later on we enter it. Yesterday was a perfect example of that, and of course Monday and Tuesday were perfect examples as well. I believe we took a trade. I think we entered. Let me pull it up so I'm not making stuff up. Let me go to the space again really quick. Let me take a look really quick. This week flew. I don't know about y'all. I say that every week, but this week literally flew by. Okay, there we go. The GM trade we took live. What was going on with the thing? Give me 1 second, here. All right, cool. So what's today? 15. So yeah, the Tuesday trade we took live, as well as the Monday trade. And then of course Wednesday we didn't take any setups. So literally aside from yesterday's trade, Mondays and Tuesday trade we broke down as well, entered during the live streams. And then if y'all watch the Sunday chart analysis, majority of the charts are going exactly as projected. Right? And if y'all watch my video, I dropped a new video on Wednesday too, by the way, right before we had all this news popping off. So if you didn't watch my new video on how to trade news, make sure to check that out, because literally we used those same exact rules yesterday to catch this huge NAS trade, as well as a couple other setups. All right. Blessings from Jamaica. Shout out to the cousins in Jamaica. I got to visit soon. I haven't been there in a minute. Soon we'll be joining you again. Hey, you know, we ain't going nowhere. And once you join, let me know so I can make sure, you know, y'all squared away, know how to navigate. Because like we always talk about, it's not just in the room. We got a lot of other stuff going on. We got the student member group chat. We got the New York live streams, the New York price watch list. We got the pinned messages, pinned videos. We got all types of lot size keys. We got account size keys. We got all types of stuff to make it super, super simple to understand what we're looking at and to catch these news with me. All right. So again, we had news at 8:30 yesterday. We had 2 a.m. news last night as well, an hour ago. Nothing really happened with that. But we had Australian news last night also, and then we had USD news at 8:30. And again, it's documented on the YouTube video on stream yesterday. We was talking about we was going to be looking for NAS buys. We was going to be looking for GU buys, as well as we was going to be looking for GJ buys, right? And then we said we're going to leave GN and GA alone, right? So out of the 3 pairs we was looking at, they all went as projected, and the news also pushed us into projection direction we was looking at. So again, make sure to watch my How to Trade News playlist, as well as my most recent video to the playlist I dropped a couple days ago. It'll start to make things make a lot more sense. And members, if you missed the New York live stream yesterday, make sure to watch that. Upload that in the channel for y'all. I'm still holding NAS currently. Have an SL on profit though. I'm super, super up right now. It's at a nice 1 to 5 risk reward ratio. So that means whatever I risk, I'm at 5 times that amount right now. So I risked $100, I'm at $500. If I risked $1,000, I'm at $5,000 off this one trade alone. As far as what we're looking for in this live, we're going to be looking for possible GN buys. We're going to be looking to see if GN can break and hold 1420 as support. If we can hold that as support, we're going to look for buys going back up to 1495 and possibly up to 1560. That's what we're looking for today, as well as possible continued buys on GJ, GU, and NAS. Now, GJ is pushing nicely as well. So with GJ, we're going to be looking for buys. We're going to be looking for either retracement back down to 190.20, or if price conversion, this is low at 192.15, we can look for buys going to 193. What's that? 193.40, 193.35. Like always, y'all, you guys got any questions, drop them in the chat. When we can charge in the chat. Again, there is no news today, so we're simply just waiting for volume to kick in and confirmations to be met. Make sure to like the live, y'all. Not subscribed yet. If you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe. We're almost at 2,700 subscribers. We can get to that easily. And then I'm gonna do a trade breakdown on NAS later today as well. So at the beginning of the New York session, that's gonna be dropping for y'all as well in the week off, right? So be on the lookout for that. Make sure you have your notice on so y'all notified as soon as that thing is public. Yeah, NAS is kind of just chilling right now. It's got a little bit of work to do, so I might try to retrace before continuing to push up. But we're going to see. Those just joining the stream. We have not entered this trade yet. This is a trade idea. We are still holding the NAS trade. Well, I am. Probably a few other members are still holding the NAS trade from yesterday. Make sure to hit that first in the description, join the free signal, free telegram. You see on your screen how we did last month and last quarter. Hit that first link. Check it out for yourselves. As far as how we're doing this week, we are 3-0 this week. Taking 0 losses so far this week. Took a win on Monday, Tuesday. Didn't take a trade Wednesday, and then yesterday we took this huge NAS trade. Like I said, I'm gonna be doing a trade breakdown on that for y'all today. So be on the lookout for that. As we can see, all the charts are pretty much doing the same thing. They're just kind of chilling right now. They did do huge moves yesterday, though, so it's not too much of a shock or surprise. Got a new 15 to 5 minute about to pop up in a second. You guys got any questions? Drop them in the chat. Looking at your charts, drop them in the chat. But you already know the drill. We're just chilling, patiently waiting right now. What's going on, Mr. Nobody? Just checked in, bro. What you think about gold? I got you. So gold is kind of just been doing the same thing all week, which is why I've been leaving it alone. While I was talking about yesterday, I'd rather look for buys on GU and other setups besides gold, because again, when we get to these points where we're at the all-time highs, it's kind of similar to what Bitcoin was doing. It's kind of similar to what NAS was doing uh earlier, and also like what GJ was doing when they made all-time highs. And what I mean by that is, if we just go back into time, you get what I'm saying? It struggled a little bit, ranged for weeks, reversed, and finally broke that level. And then reversal and stuff like that's kind of what's going on with gold, right? So when we just go back into time, right, we are clearly still bullish when we look at the bigger scale of things. But even all the way here, we had similar results, right? When these were the current highs, price was struggling over and over again to break these levels. And then when price made these all-time highs, it was struggling to break these levels. And when price made this all-time high, reversed and struggled to break these levels. So that's basically what's going on with gold. So we are still bullish, but it's struggling to continue the uptrend, and it's just been ranging back and forth. If we just look at this week, Monday was the biggest move it's done, right? But then still rejected that resistance level, and then we see the rest of this week, price has just been stuck in this box. So we are still bullish. So if we can continue to hold 2446 as support, we can look for buys going to 2470. So it's literally the same thing I've been saying all week, because as we're going to see, price has been doing and struggling to do the same thing all week. So if it can break that level, we can see all-time highs get made and uptrend continue. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So if we can hold these levels, we just continue to look for buys. As you can see, it just keeps on struggling to break this next level and continue the trend. As of right now, I'm still holding this NAS trade from yesterday, and then we're looking at potential GN buys. And then if GJ and GU can retrace or break the next level, we can look for continued GJ buys as well. As you can see, all the charts are kind of just chilling right now. We're just waiting for volume to kick in, see if we can break these next levels. GN is going for round 2 right here. New 5 just popped up, so we're about to see if it can do this. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok too, y'all. Y'all see it scrolling at the bottom of y'all screen. Instagram playmaker_way, TikTok _playmakerway_. Those just joining the stream, we have not into this yet. This is the trade idea. We have not into this yet. This is just a trade idea. Make sure to hit that first link in the description and on free signal and free Telegram. You see on your screen how we did last month and last quarter. Go ahead and hit that first link and check it out for yourselves. And again, I know it is Friday, but if you haven't checked the Sunday chart analysis, still check it out. We drop this every week at the beginning of the week on Sunday nights. Like I always say, it doesn't just go over what we see price doing Sunday night going into Monday. It goes over what we see price doing throughout the entire week. So check out this Sunday chart analysis. It's literally like 4 minutes long. It's not that long. And see how price was looking at the beginning of the week and compared to how it's looking right now. Obviously, Friday it's not done yet, but still check that out. But as far as how we did, we took this nice A sell. TP6 got hit by 56 pips on that. which was this position right here. We caught the same move twice in 2 weeks. We caught this move last Wednesday, and then we caught this move Monday. Again, we broke this down and into this during Monday's live stream. So those that was in that live stream, watch the Sunday chart analysis, y'all hopped in with that. Y'all could have, I should say, hopped in on that with us. Then Tuesday, we took a huge GN sell. TP6 got hit, caught 60 pips on that. And this was the GN sell right here. Let's find it. This GN sell right here. We broke that down initially during the live stream as well on Tuesday. And then Wednesday, we didn't take any trade because it was just a dead week. Dead day, low volume. And then the news on Wednesday didn't really do what yesterday did, which was put volume into the markets and help break those levels we struggling to break. So we didn't take any trades on Wednesday. And then yesterday, Thursday, we took this huge NAS trade. Now, we did not enter this during the live stream, but we broke this down and it was for the setup during the live stream. We went over exactly what I interact, the prices we could see get hit, all that good stuff. But it was after the news that we did take this trade into it, right? And then when we look at the news at 8:30, again, I just dropped a video the other day going over how to trade the news. Make sure to check that out if you haven't already. We use those exact same rules to catch this huge move right here. So we see here that up until yesterday, again, Tuesday, clear volume. Wednesday, price was struggling to break this level. And then when the news popped off, that's when you see here at 8:30, this volume, this gap right here, and shot price upside breaking this next level. And after we saw price retest hold as a support, we entered this, and then we caught this huge, nice 1 to 5 or shorter setup, catching over 27,000 pips. It's crazy, crazy, crazy move. Yeah, that's how we're doing so far this week. And I can show y'all those signals really quick. Again, these are old signals, so nobody take these trades, nobody take these setups. Again, these are old signals, nobody take these trades, nobody take these setups. So again, we see GA right here. This date was the 12th. We go right here. We can see clearly this was the 12th at 3:33 a.m., aka London session. So again, not making none of this stuff up. Then you see the TPs getting hit. You see the reactions, all that good stuff. And you see TP6 got hit, and then we got the New York price watch list, and obviously price rejected that level. Then this was the trade against his 13th, again, 3:23 again. We entered the during London session live after we broke down a little for the confidence. Then we see the same date, 13th. So the TPs get hit, dropped the price watch list, TP6 got hit. NAS and GE was going as projected as well, because again, saw NAS was pushing. Then that's why I let the numbers know. We had New Zealand news at 10, and then we can see what happened at 10 o'clock. Price rejected, and that's where we're at currently. There's a reversal, possibly new trend about to come into play. Then Wednesday, we did not take any trades, but we went live during the news. And then we went live during yesterday's news as well, and then dropped the recording of the live as well as the New York price watch list. And then again, you see the date the 15th. We took this NAS buy. You see the entry as well. You see the TPs. See the TPs getting hit. All that good stuff. And then you see that after that, NAS continued to fly up. Same date the 15th. So again, all this stuff is dated, documented, and we do this every day in real time. And if you was in yesterday's live stream, or if you just want to watch it, a fact check, you'll see that we was indeed talking about this and looking for this setup, as well as GU went as projected, news, news, DJ as well. DJ went ridiculous during the news. They did this huge jump during the news, and then G and GA didn't do a damn thing yesterday. News, as you can see, it's just been kind of extreme. That's a lie. GN rejected the level, but that wasn't during the 30 news. That was during Australian news last night at 7:30. So right now, I'm still holding NAS, SL deep in profit, and looking at possible GN buys. If GN can break and hold 1420 as support, we can look for buys going back up to 1490 and possibly up to 15. What is that? 1560. If you guys got any questions, drop them in the chat. When you're looking at any charts, drop them in the chat. Make sure to like the live. If you're not subscribed already, make sure to subscribe. We're almost at 2,700 subscribers. We can get to that easily. Nobody's doing it like we're doing it. There's no community, no YouTube channel, not sure, just facts. So we do this every day in real time. It's called the playbook for a reason. I literally give you all the playbook, the play-by-play, multiple different projections. And make sure to explore the playlist while we're chilling. All right, all the playlists are up to date. Besides the live stream, I can probably update that playlist, but all the other playlists are up to date. We're about to see if we can hold this level. So we went over how we doing this week. Let's go over how we're doing this month and how we've been doing, the past quarter and all that. Let's see. We'll get a big push. Let's see if GU is going to try to break and keep pushing for us too. We're still chilling. All right, so let's go back into the Telegram. So then we just went over how we did this week, how we're doing this week. So far, we're 3-0 this week. We went 2-1 last week. In the beginning of August, we went 2-1 as well. Now, as far as how we ended July, if you go to August 1st, you'll see how we ended July. We ended July 16-5, giving us a 76% win rate. You click right here, it'll take you to the beginning of July. Then you can see how we do at the end of every week and every month, as well as the end of every quarter. You go to July 1st, you'll see again how we ended June 13-3. You just continue to click these chains, so it'll continue to take you up month by month, week by week. But if you scroll down to July 2nd, you'll see how we ended last quarter. Quarter two, we went to April 16-4, 69,396 pips. May 15-4, catching 47,957 pips. And then June, we went 13-3, catching quarter 44-11, giving us an 80% win rate. So we've been killing it this year. We've been killing it the past couple months. And you just keep on clicking up these chains. They'll just continue to take you up week by week. Or you click the monthly recaps, so keep on clicking and bring you up month by month. And if you scroll to, where is it? I think it's after this. I think it's after. And then you see how we also ended quarter one. Then you go to April 4th. January went 20-0 to start off the year. February went 17-1. March went 16-3. You're going to click here. It's going to take you to the beginning of January, where you can also see how we ended quarter four, how we ended last year. October 32-5, November 22-1, December 22-1. So again, you can see we average high 80, high 90% win rates on a weekly, monthly, and quarterly basis. Everything's dated, timed, and documented. Again, every week we drop the Sunday chart analysis. And then if you go to photos, there's over 1,000 photos of receipts and receipts and receipts from screenshots positions, showing risk rewards, showing student results testimonials, all that good stuff. There's over 2 years worth of receipts. So make sure to explore and check all this stuff out. But yeah, right now we're just waiting to see if we can break and hold this next level. Again, these are big moves. These aren't, 5-pip moves. These are real trades, real pushes to the upside, real pushes to the downside. And we do this every single week, every single day. You know what I'm saying? If you guys got any questions, drop them in the chat. We're looking at any charts, drop them in the chat. You'll see we're all the way in 2023. And you see nothing's changed with the dates and the year. You know what I'm saying? And if I'm going too fast, y'all can pause, rewind, do what y'all want. We're on YouTube. But I'm just, just scrolling, showing y'all, like, again, like, we do this for a long time. This isn't just a 1 week, good week type thing. And again, the reason why we're able to catch these huge moves all the time, such a high win rate and small lose rate, is because, again, we consistently follow the same rules. We're not just trying to catch or chase what price is doing at the moment. We're actually projecting and going with the direction and overall bias price is going for the day and the week. Right? And if you go to my trade breakdown playlist, I have over 60 videos of back-to-back-to-back trade breakdowns, different buy setups, different sell setups, all trades I personally entered and took, as well as most of them also sent to the signal with the members. And again, I explained from start to finish why I went for buys, why I went for sells there, my mindset, all that good stuff. So make sure to check that out. Again, there's no news today, so we're simply just waiting for volume and our confirmations to be met. All right, y'all. We're still gonna be on the charts, but as we can see, this past hour, price has just been taking that right underneath this level. We're gonna see some volumes gonna kick in right now between now and New York session. Again, there's no other high impact news going on today, so we're simply just waiting for volume and our confirmations to be met. Make sure to check out my video I dropped a couple days ago on how to trade news. I got a video I'm gonna be breaking down this NAS trade for y'all. It's gonna be dropping the beginning of New York session today, so be on the lookout for that. All right, y'all. Members, be on the lookout in a few hours for the New York price watch list. Again, make sure to watch yesterday's as well as today, and as well as Wednesday's live streams during the news events. Make sure to check those out. We broke down the trades we took this week. We also got to see, price do what it does. We broke that down as well. Answered a few questions. Shout out to everybody in the live. Shout out to everybody that's been in live since the beginning. Shout out to everybody that's been in live since y'all joined. Make sure that first link in the description going to free signal for Telegram. And we've been killing it this month. Now, again, it's been kind of slow trade-wise, as in, we haven't been taking trades 5 days out the week. But like I always say, if your confirmations aren't met, or you truly, genuinely do not like the setups or the charts, or another thing, you don't feel confident in taking the trade, just don't take it, right? Because a lot of times people feel like you just got to take a trade every day, or since it's been 3 minutes, or since yesterday I took a trade at this time, that means every day I should take the trade at the same exact time. It's not how that works, right? It's just like if you go fishing, I can go fishing every Saturday. Just because last Saturday I caught 3 fish doesn't mean this Saturday I'm gonna catch 3 fish. Just because last Saturday I got my first bite within 10 minutes, it'd be silly for me to get upset if after 10 minutes hits, I'm looking at my watch, I'm getting frustrated because I didn't get a bite. That's just not how it works. You get what I'm saying? If you're interested in the sitting room, hit those links in the description. If you're interested in how to identify, mark up these levels, these zones, or to learn directly from me, hit those links in the description. If y'all want to contact me directly, y'all can DM me on Instagram or Telegram. And yeah, we're going to be back at the same time next week. Enjoy y'all's weekend and do not waste it, especially when you're new to trading, or if you had a rough week this week or it's been a rough month. Do not waste the weekend. Review your trades, revise your trading plan, come up with a trading plan if you do not have a trading plan. And yeah, we're going to be back at it next week, y'all.